Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India who had worked as president for two terms. He was also the president of the Constituent Assembly and the chief leader of the Indian independence movement. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1962. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5th September 1888 and this day is celebrated as Teachers' Day. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1954. He was also the first Vice President of India. Dr. Zakir Hussain was the first Muslim President of India and died at his post. Varahagiri Venkatagiri was the fourth President of India. He became the only person to be elected president as an independent candidate. In 1975, he was awarded Bharat Ratna. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad was the fifth President of India. He was the second president who died in the post of the president. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy was the sixth President of India. He was the first Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. He was directly elected to the post of Lok Sabha Speaker and became youngest President. Giani Jail Singh is the first Sikh President as well as seventh President of India. Prior to becoming president, he was also Chief Minister of Punjab. During his presidency, many incidents took place, such as Operation Blue Star, assassination of Indira Gandhi, and in the 1984 anti-Sikh riots. R. Venkataraman was elected as the President of India from 25th July 1987 to 25th July 1992. Earlier, he was Vice President of India from 1984 to 1987. He has received many honors from different parts of the world. He is a receiver of Tamra Patra for his contributions to India's freedom struggle. Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma was the ninth President of India. From 1952 to 1956, he was the Chief Minister of Bhopal and the Cabinet Minister from 1956 to 1967. The International Bar Association gave them the Living Legend of Law Award of recognition due to multi-achievements in the legal profession. K.R. Narayanan was the 10th President of India. He was the first Dalit President of India and the first Malayali person to receive the highest office of the country. He was the first President to vote in the Lok Sabha elections and addressed the State Assembly. His full name is Kochari Raman Narayanan. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam came to be known as Missile Man of India. He was the first scientist who took over the post of president and the first president of India who won the most votes. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1997. Srimati Pratibha Singh Patil was the governor of Rajasthan before becoming the president from 1962 to 1985. She was also the first woman president of India who flew Sukhoi. She was a member of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly 5 times. Pranab Mukherjee was the finance minister in the central government before contesting the presidential election. He was awarded Padma Vibhushan, India's second highest honor, in 2008. He died on 31st August 2020 at the age of 84. Ramnath Kovind was born on 1st October 1945 in Uttar Pradesh, India. He is an Indian lawyer and politician. He is the 14th and current President of India. He became the President on 25th July 2017 and is a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party. He is former Governor of Bihar.